trailer you can see the production values and you can see what scale the for me actually it wasn't a small screen debut. It was working with Vipul Shah. He's directing this show. He's making it on an as big scale as you would be making a film. So for me it was being part of a really big film, which being part of actually three big films, because shooting this entire thing is equal to doing three movies, I think. So yeah, I thought I had to be part of it.
But what was your thought when he came with the script or with the show? This is the concept, and you originally in the show.
I thought that I've not played something like this before, so I was very happy that someone's offered me this role, because I've not done anything like this before. I've usually played like serious characters, so something like this, being fun and spontaneous and energetic, I thought I should be part of this and play this character.
Okay, what is the character is all about?
I'm Aarti, I'm a journalist, so I'm trying to be like you guys. I bring in the lighter moments in the show, the romance, and I'm this very spontaneous, very brave character. In fact, like, she's the one who tries to propose to the boy's character. The guy he's an army officer and everything, but in these pyar ke matters, he's very lallu, and he cannot bring himself to tell the girl that he likes her. So I have taken it up on my character self. I will decide to tell him. I will decide to propose. And it just so happens that every time I try to propose to him, something happens, and either he gets a call and he has to go on mission, or it just never works out. So I think those episodes are quite fun. The audience will be very entertained.
So is it good being a journalist?
Yeah, lots of fun. I loved being on the other side. It was quite fun, but you guys will decide now and tell me if I authentically portrayed you.
Okay, what sort of response you are getting after the show has been launched, the promos are out now?
Yeah.
So what sort of response you are getting from fans or maybe from your
I
friends?
think the best thing that people are saying is that it looks like a nice big movie. It looks like a big action thriller, which is the best compliment. I think the other stuff you'll know when you watch the entire show, but from the trailer you can see the production values and you can see what scale the action has been mounted on. So I think people are really liking it, and the curiosity levels are also growing. So yeah, waiting for you guys to see the show.
Okay, as you know, the scale of this small screen is bigger nowadays. So do you feel it's going to enhance yourself as an actor, and people gonna know more about Ada as an actor? Do you feel so?
I haven't thought so deep. I'm just hoping people like the show. The show finds its audience, and I think everything else falls into place after that. So the first thing we should hope is that the show reaches its right audience, and they enjoy watching the show. They tune in twice a week to see the show. They wait to see what's going to happen next episode. They're hooked on to the plot. They're biting their nails and waiting to know what's going to happen next. So
Okay, we have seen one of the show 24, Mr. Anil Kapoor. So does that have any similarity with the show, or do you feel, or is it something?
I think the only similarity would be that was also not a Saas Bahu drama, and was that also twice a week? I'm not sure. That was also twice a week, I think,
Sometimes.
right? For an hour. So probably that would be the only similarity. But other than that, no. Our plot is this is an army setup, and no, plot-wise not at all. But just if you think of a show that has action in it, then maybe that's the similarity.
So we'll be going to see some of your action.
No, me, I'm not doing any action in the show. I'm a journalist. He's kept it as real as he can. It would be very weird if I get into like Lara Croft mode and beat people up, I think. So Ranvijay is doing all the action, and he's done some really superb stuff. Stuff that you probably wouldn't have even seen in a movie. And he's done some really brave things also. So
Even it's an image changer for Ranvijay also. So how was a co-star? What kind of co-star he is for?
he's also not done fiction on television before. So for both of us, it was a debut on television. He's an awesome co-star. He's lots of fun. He's crazy, and he's very inspiring to work with, because he never says no to any of the stuff that's told to him. Like, jump from the 10th floor and he's there. Hang from this cliff. Jump over this. He never says no. He's always game for it. And even after an extremely strenuous day, he's still smiling, still cracking jokes. So It was really nice to work with someone like that.
So did he ever ask you to do some day on the set?
Do some dare? No, they asked me to finish up a lot of food once because I claimed that I could, which I can. So no, dare as in stunt wise, no.
Okay.